Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I am your friendly neighborhood basement dweller, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. And today, I want to be checking out an old computer. Man, it's been way too long since I just did a good review of an old computer. Quadro Z420, sorry, Quadro K620 times 2. Ugh, I'm in no gusta to that HP thing, but Xeon's good. Right now, I got her mapping cancer markers for Boink, but let's check the 4 cores and hyper-threading in case 620 times 2. You see what I mean now, ladies? The answer is no. Having two of them doesn't actually make the game faster. I mean, yeah, it's not the most power thing, but legitimately, this whole thing cost me less than $100. Xeon chip. And yeah, I am pleased with that. Now, the score we get isn't the best, but I gotta say, I love the price. Here we got the test DirectX 9 going at about 40 frames per second. Of course, we're relying on the K620 card here. Not bad. DirectX 10 coming at about 10 frames per second. I don't know why, but this right here is the hardest part of the entire thing. Even though it's DirectX 10, you get that fireball going down, the smoke, everyone's like, I'm not going so fast anymore. What's up with that? And DirectX 11 at 14 frames per second with those sexy space jellyfish rockets. Yep. Oh, no, no, mon ami. That is one fuzzy speck, 23 frames per second. I have never seen that happen before. This must be what it looks like to game when you have cataracts. Nice. Not gonna complain. Jeez. Whoa. Who needs 60 frames per second when you can't see? I'm a potato. I know you guys only come here to see my feet. Legitimately, this unit's probably going to be going to the secondhand store. While it would be wonderful for a family driver kind of thing, let's face it, nobody has room for PCs in their house anymore. The price of housing has gone through the roof. We can't afford to have this much space being taken. That's why I can easily find these things very cheaply, and that is somewhat troublesome to me. I'm sure we'll figure it out, but we have a lot of issues in the housing market in North America and, pretty much internationally. The fact I can get this thing for under $100 is kind of a reflection on that, and it makes me wonder what kind of universe we're going towards. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Anyways, that's it from me, folks. Have a good one. Nev from Nev Tech, but let take care of each other. Just take care of each other, will you? It's getting kind of rough out there.